I enjoyed the movie. It was interesting to find out about the story. I was advised by a colleague, someone that I worked with, to come and see the movie, and I promised him back in 2019 that I would come and watch it when it came out. Unfortunately, the country that he lives in, I don't think they're going to be showing the movie, so that's why I said I'd come and watch it on his behalf, if you like.
So what do you think about Islam?
Yeah, I mean, I work with Saudi Aramco, so I know a lot about Muslims and Islam and stuff like that. So it's just nice to see the movie and to hear that story. My friend Wasim had told me about the story, and there's a cartoon.
Story is rubbish.
There's a cartoon version of it, I think, as well, and he's shown me that. So it was just a follow-up of that, really. That was why I was there. So I would ignore him, this guy. Everyone is entitled to their own beliefs and religions. So
Yeah, exactly.
All a bunch of lies in that story.
I think you're rubbish.
Rubbish story.
You're
Lie.
rubbish, and the story is the real truth of you, of what you are.
There's no truth in this
This
story.
is the truth
It's
of you guys,
blasphemy.
what you are.
No.
And
Who are you talking about?
yes, you guys.
Who's you guys?
You know yourself very
you
well.
guys?
You know what yourself who you are.
I said that story is a lie.
No,
it's
it's
a big
not a
lie.
lie.
Don't say you
It's
guys.
not a lie.
It
It's
is a
not a
lie.
lie.
It's a big
It's
lie.
absolutely
It's a
respectful.
blasphemy.
It's absolutely
You don't know what you're
respectful.
talking about. No, it's a lie.
And it
Very
does not
disrespectful.
discriminate
And it should be banned in
any
this country.
religion or
100%.
anything.
It discriminates my religion.
No, it does
I'm a
not. It
Muslim.
just
I'm a
really
Muslim.
it
This should
shows
be
the
banned.
truth.
No, it doesn't.
Of
There's not
what
one
you
inch of a
believe.
truth. It's
Yes,
all,
you are.
every single bit is a lie. Every single bit is a lie.
It's
And the
all
people
in
that
your
do it,
books.
They will get destroyed, inshallah. May Allah
It's
destroy
all
the
in
people
your
that do it.
books. It's all in your books.
due respect, you're meant to be working, not abusing women. So go back to your job.
I'm not abusing.
Go back to your job and leave us alone.
I'm not abusing
You are.
nobody.
You
I'm just
are.
saying
You
it's a
actually.
lie. It's a lie.
You want me to report you to the council?
They've abused
Would
my
you like
religion.
me to report
They've
you?
abused my religion.
Let me tell you
No,
details.
no.
Let me tell
They've
you
abused my
details,
religion.
and I'll report
I'm
you
not
to the
arguing with
council.
you, right? But no.
Let me tell you details.
There you go.
And I'll report you.
just said it.
You're the one being racist to them first, to their religion.
To my religion, she's been.
No, you were the one that came and started on them. No, you go away.
Don't talk about my religion.
You go away. Tell
That's
you
a blasphemy.
Let me tell you a detail.
No, you're not
Let me
taking
tell you a detail. I'll report you to the council. Go and do your job and stop harassing people.
Don't talk in front of me.
No, you came over and started harassing them. We came out of the cinema.
Go away.
Yeah. No. It doesn't. He's not strong enough to give me his badge number, though, are you, mate? You're good enough to go off for women, though. People like that.
That's why we want to let the people like you to know the truth.
Yeah.
That we are Islam. We are not like this.
No, I'm no. You
don't
didn't
want
come out
anyone,
abusing
but that's
anybody.
kind of
This
Islam
guy.
doesn't want to know the truth.
Yeah, no, this guy's an
He's
idiot.
very upset because we are telling you guys how the Islam.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, dear.
Enjoy
Thank
your
you very much.
Tuesday.
Thank you.